Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel 76 Designs. So in this video of our logo design series, we will discuss about different type of logos. Logo is divided into 7 main types or categories. We will discuss all types in this video, so stay connected. The first type of logo that we are going to discuss is pictorial mark. It is also called brand mark or symbol-based logo. The pictorial mark consists of pictorial or symbol-based graphics or icons to represent the brand name. We can take example of famous brand Apple, which has the Apple icon to represent the brand name. Other famous brand logos including Twitter logo with bird icon and Target logo with bullseye icon also belongs to this category. Mostly pictorial logos uses just icons to represent the brand. But in starting days, it may be difficult to recognize the brand by just looking at their icon. So companies first go with logo text and icon, and when they are famous and recognized among their customers or people, they start using logo icon as their main part of their brand identity and avoid the use of typography. Abstract. The second type is abstract logos. They also consist of icon or symbol, but they are different than pictorial mark, as the icon used in the abstract are not easily recognizable or have some hidden meaning, sometimes to represent the business. The famous logos like Chase, Pepsi and Adidas belongs to this category. Although it's very tricky to design an abstract logo, but when designed well, it will give recognition to the brand with unique design. The third category is lettermark logos, also known as monogram logos. They are typography-based logos and consist of single letter or more than one letter, which actually are the brand initials or their short forms or abbreviation. Most of the brands like to use brand abbreviation as their identity instead of using long names, so the monogram or lettermark logos are best choice for such businesses. Famous brands like HPO, LV and HP uses lettermark logos for their brand identity. Wordmark. Wordmark logos are also known as logotype, and like lettermark logos, they are also typography based logos but consist of full word or name. The brands having memorable or catchy names love to use this type of logo. Logos of famous brands like Coca-Cola, eBay, Google, etc. belongs to this category. The fifth category of logo is known as the emblem. These logos include typeface fit into badges, sails or crest. These logos have some traditional values and mostly being used by families, schools, government departments and automobiles, etc. Logos of famous brands like Starbucks and Harley Davidson belongs to this category. Mascot. Mascot logos include illustrated character or cartoonish design to represent the brand. They are mostly colorful design and full with lot of fun. These logos are used by famous brands like KFC, Pringles or other children-friendly products or gaming products or people. So the seventh main type of logo is combination mark, which are made by combining any of the logo types. You can have example of Burger King logo, which comprises on combination of two logos. Number one, pictorial logo, that is burger, the sign of burger, and wording of and wordmark logo, that is wording of Burger King. So the other famous brands like Airbnb, Doritos, etc. also belongs to this category. Nowadays, people, while following different trends, use different range of logos, which we consider as a special type of logos. They somehow belongs to any of the 7 categories, but have some modifications or fun. These includes gradient logos, signature logos, feminine logos, calligraphic logos or logos with different languages like Urdu or Arabic or Hindi, and the graffiti logos. In next video, I will design a pictorial logo and talk through step-by-step process to design a logo. So stay connected and share our content with your friends and family. Thanks.